Hello friends, namaskar dosto, very warm welcome और एक edition with commodity market with SD and I'm SD Shanando Dash, a multi-asset trading and investment specialist. So let's directly go to and look at what's happening to the commodity market this week and कैसे होना चाहिए अपना position to benefit from it. So जो टॉप ऑन द राइट साइड द मोस्ट बिगेस्ट गेनर दिख रहा है कि इज द निकल बेस मेटल में अभी भी बाइंग प्रेशर चल रहा है. सो ओवरऑल बेस मेटल सेगमेंट में हम लोग बुलिश हो सकते हैं थ्रू वाया डिफरेंट एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड. So that is one area. Second one is cocoa. Cocoa means chocolate price is going on. I think this is going to have an implication going ahead for the chocolate makers, unka inflation, and we are going to see some low quality products as well. So be careful on the chocolate side. We have then lean hogs, which is more related to US demand and China demand delivery supplies. Natural gas is coming back. That is interesting. इसके बारे में मैंने बात किया था थोड़ा बहुत कि I'm not very bearish in natural gas despite क्योंकि फंडामेंटल कुछ अलग बता रहे हैं कि यूरोप में देयर कुड बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड कमिंग फ्रॉम यूरोप टू फिल अप द जो डिप्लीटेड रिजर्व है उसको फिल अप करना पड़ेगा. सो डिमांड कुड बी कमिंग फ्रॉम यूरोप whereas limited supply can trigger a buying reversal in natural gas. We have copper once again on the base metal side. We have corn agriculture side, iron ore, soybean, sugar. Some of the soft commodities, some of the metals, not all the metals are going up. और जो हम लोग देखे थे पहले कि गोल्ड सिल्वर में जो बुलिशनेस था वी डिस्कस कि वो बुलिशनेस फेड हो जा रहा है, बेस्ट टू एग्जिट. Similarly, crude oil भी अपना मिडिल ईस्ट का टेंशन के अलावा भी बावजूद भी सस्टेन नहीं कर पा रहा है. सो दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग ब्रॉड पिक्चर. इसके साथ साथ हम लोग चले जाएंगे हमारे एनालिटिक्स में विद ट्रेडिंग व्यू. सो वी आर इन द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप एंड लेट्स मेक इट कमोडिटीज suitable for to make it towards commodities trading. And we are going to start with the gold or international gold XAU USD chart that is from FXCM or IDC or you can take from SACS. So these rates are very competitive. आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं. So what gold I'm looking to look at the daily chart. Daily chart में currently I'm trading. So daily chart what a beautiful ride होने के बाद clearly दिखा कि there was an exit opportunity. सिर्फ exit नहीं selling opportunity भी है. But I'm not so eager to sell gold immediately. Fundamental reason तो है ही, plus broader trend में gold is still bullish. And this sell signal, if I watch, it has a very low probability. So currently, I'm not very eager to try out the short in gold. It is still against the long-term trend. And trend के हिसाब से preferred trade is still buy breakout and buy support. So the current strategy is to do nothing in gold. Rather look for better opportunities जहाँ पे unless gold shows a comeback. और ये होना ही था. रिटेल सेंटिमेंट वाज बहुत एक्सट्रीम हो चुका था गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में बुलिश. तो दिस रिवर्सल is very much welcomed. It will lot of noise out कर देगा. If I get a silver towards 25.9, that's a strong support is coming up 25.89. So that could be an area जहाँ पे we can still see some silver buying. But it's so far it's more of a rangish market where things are a bit turning for the bears. But despite that, if you look at the probabilities, only 29% win probability for the sellers. So कोई भी sell कर रहे हैं, that means should be with a smaller quantity. Rather जो short के तरफ बेहतर दिख रहा था, that was more we had a good move in the crude oil. After that it started fading. So SCO was the exchange traded fund जो मैंने पोजीशन की तरफ गया था. SCO जब क्रूड ऑयल नीचे जाता है SCO प्राइस goes up. So crude oil now it retracing. So we have anyway exit discuss कर चुके थे. So exited. So crude oil में no position. It's a mixed market situation in crude oil. What about copper? Copper, if I look at, I'll prefer to go with the 125-minute swing time frame and daily का combination में. maybe I'm having some internet issue. That's why chart is taking, yeah, it's fine. So HG1, copper is coming back. So after a correction, we had a correction. It's coming back from a strong level. Momentum has turned bullish. So if we look at the Indian copper, this could be a short-term re-entry opportunity in copper. We can wait for a crossover in the New York session during the US session, but this could be an early sign of a comeback. If we look at the daily chart, we will be able to see that it's still somewhat bullish. But despite buy signal, I think there could be some rangish action rather than जितना ride हम लोग अभी तक देखे, beautiful ride था, उतना strong ride शायद ना मिले. I'm still waiting for the short-term momentum to turn bullish in the daily chart. So go for copper. But copper and the base metals and overall commodities in general, they have been very strong. And after the correction, I think they will come back again. So currently, not a lot of great trades जो आ रहे हैं. If we look at aluminium, let's look at the aluminium second contract. First contract is very now close to the expiry. Aluminium में जो comeback हुआ था after the sell off, हम लोग जो मेरे साथ है, we know I posted about aluminium exit. उसके बाद strong कोई buying नहीं मिल रहा. ये रहा मेरा alert level. अभी तक hit नहीं हुआ. We don't have a crossover. Rather जो strong दिख रहा था is the zinc. So but वो भी fully sustain नहीं कर पाया. जो it was a crossover. But after that, gradually the momentum faded. In the very early morning, यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत दिखा रहा था strength, but after that it faded. But overall देखा जाए तो base metals and other metals we can consider still to be somewhat on the stronger side. So gold, silver, I think currently जो strategy होना चाहिए, a little bit of exposure towards this base metal segment. We can go through different type of funds like DBB or CPER if we want to keep the leverage down. And definitely we can go for the future contracts, but it should be much lower quantity. Before we had a strong ride. अभी जो राइड होगा possibly it will down बहुत काफी सारे zigzag pattern मिलेंगे. And natural gas, I'm closely watching. I don't have a buy signal yet. I'll be watching the daily chart here. And I prefer a strong, fully clear signal before I think anything on the long side on the natural gas. Natural gas के जहाँ पे मुझे actually strength थोड़ा बहुत दिख रहा था, that was more on the European natural gas side. Now, European natural gas initial strength दिखाने के बाद, if you look, it has once again started fading. But fundamentally देखा जाए तो some reason है कि सोचने का in future there could be some upside left in NG if we see a strong demand coming from Europe. So European reservoir, European reserve, European storage, that where I will be looking at for further understanding the fundamental. Currently, I'm not ready to do anything in natural gas. So that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best from my side. And once again, as usual, happy trading.